Hey everyone, let's talk about registering for courses and specifically how to dodge 5 key mistakes plus a bonus error that can keep you from getting some really hard hits next term. Mistake number 1 to dodge: scheduling all of your courses back to back to back. Now, there's something to be said for scheduling maybe 2 courses back to back. You can block your time a bit, but when you get 3 or 4 or even 5 courses back to back to back in a single day where you have only 10 or 15 minutes in between, you are going to fatigue your brain and your body to where you will not have the focus you need to really learn the material, especially in those later in the day classes. So to avoid this, keep any blocking to 2 or fewer courses so that you can give your brain and body a chance to refuel and refresh before jumping in to your next course. Mistake number 2 to dodge: scheduling that early morning 7:30 or 8 a.m. course on the same day as that 7 to 10 p.m. night class. This makes your day extraordinarily long. And if you need your brain to be on fire at 7 in the morning, it is not likely to be on fire at 10 p.m. at night. So think through this. If you know you need to take a night class, make sure you schedule that night class on a day where you have a later start to your other classes. Mistake number 3 to dodge is scheduling all super intense, not so fun courses. To keep up motivation and mental health, I think it is so important to have at least one course you are taking each term that you find interesting, fun, relaxing, so that even in the midst of some really intense courses, you have a spot of fresh air that can let you breathe and smile during your term. Mistake number 4 to dodge is similar to number 3 because it is scheduling all major courses during your semester. Now, sometimes you may have no choice. You might have to do this. But if you can, give yourself a bit of variety in topic and course style. So don't schedule yourself all really intense seminar major courses. Not only will this be an extraordinarily high workload, but you are likely to fatigue your brain on a topic that, if it's your major, you kind of want to like it at least a little bit. So make sure you have at least one course that is outside your major. Mistake number 5 to dodge is scheduling all online courses during your semester. Now, obviously, this doesn't apply to those of you who are in fully online programs, but if you are an on-campus student, try and limit the online courses you're taking to 1 or 2 a term if you can. Taking more than that can make you feel more disconnected from your classmates and your professors, and can make it hard to keep up the motivation you need to power through your semester. And I promised a bonus mistake. The last thing to dodge is to make sure that you don't assume that just because a course is full, there's no way you can get in. Courses have waitlists for a reason. In every class, there are going to be multiple students who decide after the first week it's not for them. And this means that there are always students on the waitlist who get into that full course. So unless that waitlist is miles long, put your name on there and stay engaged, connect with the professor so that when and if you do get into that course after that first week, you can hit the ground running. Now, in a few of these mistakes to dodge, I mentioned motivation. If you're feeling a bit unmotivated right now, I definitely recommend you check out this video right up here where I walk through a quick 5-minute exercise to help you light that motivation fire and power through your semester. Happy studying, everybody.